late night, coming home from work, girl, pull it off. Like, here we go. Pull it off. You get what I'm saying? Hold on, let me fix my little wig cap. And I'm talking in seconds, y'all. In seconds. So these are what the curls look like after I defined them. And I am filming this video in natural sunlight. Here is what the hairline looks like. Very nice, very natural. So let's talk about this wig. First of all, it's easy to apply. The lace already comes cut for you. I did go in and wash this hair and define the curls. I let it air dry for a little bit, and then I went in with my diffuser to diffuse the curls, and that's it, literally. I do have a smaller size head, and I am wearing this wig glueless, so if you do have a smaller size head, this wig fits like a charm, y'all. As you can see, very much glueless. Wait a minute, hold up. Now, we want a side part. We're not filling the middle part. Okay, side part. All right. Slide that bad boy right on over, okay? Oh, what'd you say? You don't like it on this side? Oh, okay. Hold up. She's definitely cute as a side part as well. You want a little side action. Here you go. And I just added my little concealer to the parts. And we out the door, like girls night, quick drinks, date night, running some errands. Like, this is the wig for you. Super freaking cute and convenient, y'all. I promise y'all. And I can't get over the color combo. This hair looks so bomb with blue. I just feel like they complement each other. And this wig is super beginner friendly, so you don't have to put in too much work when it comes to this wig. The only thing I would say is define the curls. If you're looking for this color or a curly wig, definitely check below in my description box for links and details to this wig. And it's pretty affordable, so that's a plus as well. But yeah, get into it, y'all. Look at her. I don't know if y'all can see the color change, but I wanted to bring it to your attention because sometimes the wig can look different in different settings and lighting. So natural light, it definitely looks lighter than now. Right now the sun is going down because I tried to film this video in natural sunlight, so most of the video has been in natural sunlight.